All right, everyone, today we're going to be doing a comparison between the Shark Steam and Scrub with Steam Blaster and the Bissell SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop. These are two very similar machines. They're both spinning steam mops with scrub pads. We have three different messes for them to tackle. We have maple syrup, chocolate sauce, and peanut butter. These are going to be very difficult to remove and really going to challenge these mops to see how well their cleaning performance is. Then after we're done testing the cleaning performance, we'll go back over and go over the features and benefits and which one I recommend. So let's get into the cleaning test. Start the cleaning tests, Bissell first. Get prepared. It has to heat up now. The Bissell is now heated up. I'm gonna move the pads back and forth to see if it's getting the floor wet. Yes, it is. So let's tackle the maple syrup first. Seem to get that pretty easily. Now we can deal with that chocolate. Ooh, it is smearing the chocolate a bit. But it is getting it though. Took a little bit of time. But got it. Now for the peanut butter. This is gonna be a challenge. It dealt with it easily, look at that. There we go. Okay, should be turned off. Now let's do the Shark. All right, 1, 2, 3. Spins a lot faster than the Bissell. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that, that's pretty cool, but I don't want to make it unfair, so let's just go like this. Deal with that peanut butter. That's pretty cool. So the Shark just shuts off as soon as you put it up. So I'm gonna let this dry for just a minute and then we're gonna see which one actually performed better at picking up the nasty mess. All right, so the floor is dry. Let's see which one did a better job. Here's the Bissell side. There is a little bit of peanut butter in the grout line right here, but overall, it got that floor pretty clean. I'm feeling it. There's no sticky residue whatsoever or shiny bits. The Shark, there's a tiny spot right here and a little bit of peanut butter in the grout. But again, it feels about identical. Cleaning performance is about the same between these two. So let's go over the features and benefits. So, which one wins? They both did very similar cleaning performance. I think the Bissell was just a little bit better. A little bit less residue on the floor, but they're so close. Could have been down to, there was a little bit more on the Shark side than the Bissell side. I measured it the best I could, but I'm not perfect. The winner is gonna have to come down to the features and benefits, which we'll go over right now. So filling the tanks on both is relatively similar. Simply pull back like this on the Shark, and you pull up on the Bissell. Both the tanks are similar in size. No real winner there. To decide a winner, it's gonna come down to a few very annoying choices that Bissell made with the machine that I'm gonna point out now. So getting the cord off of the Bissell is very difficult. I'm gonna show you how the Shark works. It's just the usual rotating cord clip just like this. Basically every vacuum has that. Bissell decided to reinvent the wheel with this and have this obnoxious clamp. It only goes up. You can't force it down, so once you wrap the cord around it, there's no way to get the cord off. I'll show that right now, actually. And this one only folds in, too. So if you have the cord wrapped around it, like so, how am I supposed to quickly get the cord off? I can't do this, and I can't do that. So you have to manually take it off. Really annoying when you have the entire 20-foot cord wrapped around this. And also this cord clip is really small and the cord a lot of times slips out of here. And it's also bending the cord, as you can see, like that. But this cord clip's pretty small. It slips out all the time, as you can see just how easy it is to take out. The Shark, on the other hand, has this big clip. It takes substantial force to pull it out. And then also if it comes out, which you can see, it's a lot harder to do. It tends to get caught on this. So, and this, you wrap the cord around it, just like so. Want to take the cord off? Easy. Also, another thing is weight. If you're older, this Bissell is extremely heavy, especially with filled with water. The Shark, it's a featherweight compared to the Bissell. Significantly lighter. It's also easier to pull back. The lock isn't quite as strong. And actually, they're pretty similar. The Bissell's head does weigh a lot more, but if I put it on there, they're pretty similar. So I'd say that's tied on that part. The Bissell also takes a little bit longer to heat up, as you saw in the video. I had to speed that up. Well, I will speed it up when I edit this, but I will be speeding it up. The Shark, I did not have to do that. You adjust my mic here. It just heated up. It also has the steam blaster feature right here, which means you can spray spots on the floor. Can't do that with the Bissell. And one last thing is the handle design. Bissell, what on earth is this? It's super uncomfortable. You have to have the machine down like this to the floor in order for it to be comfortable. It's just, I don't get this. It's like hard plastic and it's not very comfortable. It's in a weird position. The Shark has the same handle you'd expect from a vacuum. It's just fine. So I'm definitely gonna have to give the win to the Shark. If the cleaning performance is identical, the win has to go to the Shark because of its significantly better design. It's easier to get the cord off. The cord clip works better. It's lighter, heats up faster, and the handle's more comfortable. It's an easy win for the Shark Steam and Scrub. So I hope you enjoyed this comparison between these two spinning steam mops. I'll see you next time.